Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Quickie Bristle Brush. I really like this brush. It has some really firm bristles that do a really good job of allowing me to sweep up the dirt that accumulates by the pool. It helps to clean up the pool dirt that's either wet or dry. So here you can see I can really collect any dirt that accumulates by the pool very easily. Even the items that have been really solidified on here over time. So this brush does a great job of helping to get rid of any dirt that gets into the pool concrete, either wet or dry. And then I can use it to also sweep up the pool area that I have flowers around. The bristles on the brush, they're nice and firm, and they allow me to get right by the edge of the pool cage. I can get any dirt that has accumulated over time. I also like to use this brush to help get any dirt or anything that's accumulated in the mat here that I keep by the door. The handle on the brush is really solid. I've had this for a year now, and it still works just as good as when it was new. Yeah, I would highly recommend this for use it to help clean up your pool area, the outdoors. I recommend it.